Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple broccoli and cheddar roll. It takes few ingredients, just about four if you count the egg, and it's really super tasty. You guys are going to love it. So let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees and thaw out our puff pastry and lay it on a baking sheet. You're going to want to make sure that the puff pastry is room temperature. That makes it easier to roll. So then we're going to take our egg and just brush the inside of the puff pastry like so. After that, you're going to take a bag of steamable broccoli and steam it per the instructions on the package, and then kind of just mash it up a little bit with a spoon. You don't have to go crazy here, but just kind of like mash it up so the pieces are smaller to go into the roll. Then you just place it in. Pretty easy, right? After that, we're going to take our shredded cheddar cheese. I have a yellow and white mix here, and we're just going to lay it over our broccoli and get ready to roll this bad boy up. Then you're going to take the side closest to you and just roll it like a jelly roll, keeping it in there. Then we're going to take our egg again and just brush the outside and give it a nice coating before we're putting it in our 400-degree oven for 15 minutes until it's golden brown. And after 15 minutes in the oven, you should have a delicious and tasty golden brown broccoli cheddar roll. It's going to be fantastic, and you just saw how easy that was. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week, and find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.